Welcome to Noob Programming Quick Hints. This is going to be a separate series from the Noob Programming series, where those are long episodes of like how to do something, like build an entire app. With quick hints, I'm just going to give you a quick hint about something you can do in programming, and these videos are going to be generally very short. More on that in the end of the video. I also have some big announcements at the end of the video, but for now, let's just get right into it. So what we're going to do is we are going to open a new view controller and then dismiss the view controller, or unwind it rather. So I'm going to show you how to do that real quick, so let's get right into it. So first we just need to drag this new view controller from the objects window, pull it in here, and we need to create the Swift file for that, or Objective-C if that's the language you're using. I'm using Swift though, so all we have to do is go File, New File, Swift file, and I'm going to name it test view just cause that's what I'm doing. And you see it shows up over there, and it's blank. There's nothing on this. So what we need to do is we need to go get the code to put on it so that it works. So I'm just going to copy this entire thing, and I'm going to go over to test view, and I'm going to put it over here, which is open on two windows, which I don't need. So basically all we're going to do is we're going to paste in that code from the other view controller. We have to import UI kit as well. We have to change the class to match the file name. And of course remove all the code that does not go on this view controller, so that it's set up just like when we make a new project and it works with the view controller itself. So then the next thing we have to do is go to the view controller. We just created it in the storyboard. Click on it. Click on this little thing that looks like a newspaper, and we can put in our viewcontroller.swift file right there. So that is going to work with this. So now all I need to do is put a button on the view controller so that it works. And I'm going to need a button on my other view controller to get it to where it needs to be. Okay, so now we're almost done here actually. So all we have to do now is take the button, because this is the initial view controller. This is the one it's going to open up to. All I'm going to do is control drag or right click and pull it over to this view controller and hit show. Now we could stop there, but we're not going to stop there, because if I run this right now, it will work, but it will not go back to the other view controller, and that's not a good thing. See, this button doesn't do anything. So what you could do is you could just pull this over here, but I'm going to show you why we don't want to do that. That's not a good thing to do either, because it's not going to make any visual sense. So as you can see, if I just push this, it will take me back to the other one, but visually it's very confusing. It's like always going up, and that's not good. With these, it goes up and you push it again and it goes back down. That makes a lot of visual sense. So what we're going to do here is we are going to remove this one, and we have to go in to the code here real quick, and we have to create an action for the button. So I'm just going to do that. And we simply have to write one line of code. Dismiss view controller animated true, completion nil. So now if I run that, you can see it does exactly what I want it to do. So that's how you open a new view controller and unwind it in Swift and Xcode. Thanks for watching. So now on to the big announcements. Obviously, Noob Programming Quick Hints is a new thing I'm doing now. The reason I had this idea, or the thing that made me have this idea, is a while back when I was trying to figure out how to get the view controller to unwind, I found it was pretty difficult to find how to do it on Google. So when I had to go do it again today, it made me think about that, and I said, you know what, I should make a video showing people how to do it. So if someone is looking for it the way I was, maybe they won't have to look so hard. So I made this video. Another reason I wanted to make this video, because I haven't done a new programming episode in a while, And the reason for that is they do take a pretty long time to do. So I just need to find the time to do it. Per request, the next episode will be on using a lot of user input. So that is coming soon. The other big announcement for this video is obviously what you see on screen. The strobe light app that you see on screen is something that I made, and I really enjoy it. And a few weeks ago, I open sourced it. I just haven't gotten around to making a video about open sourcing it. So here's that video. A link will be down in the description below. You can go get it off of GitHub, try it for yourself, use it. If you want to just download it onto your phone and use it, then that's fine. Other than that, you can change it, make changes to it, make it your own. And if you do make changes to the app and make it your own, make it look different, whatever you want to do with it, please feel free, send me an email of screenshots and show me what you've done and tell me why you did this and why you wanted to do it like that. I'm really interested in seeing what you guys do with the app. Other than that, you can use the source code to learn and look at it and see what I did and try to use that in your own apps and figure out why I'm doing it that way or something. If you have any questions about it, please email me. That's about all I have for right now. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video.